Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given the vertices of this triangle ABC for all the vertices, point A, point B and point C. And our job is to now show that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. And it is important to note that for an isosceles triangle, there are some properties that we could actually exploit. One of it would have to be that there are two sides that are equal. Meaning that for this particular question, all we have to do is actually to make use of this formula to find all the three lengths of this triangle, and if there are two sides that are equal, we have successfully proven and shown that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so without further ado, I shall start by finding the length of AB. And this is a habit of Mr. Tan. I like to write my coordinates for all the points that I'm trying to find, because then I would always remind myself to do this, so that when I try to find the length, I will not make careless mistake. This is the square root of x2 minus x1, so this one will be y2, x2 will be 1 minus -1 bracket square plus 8 minus -2 bracket square, and this will give me a value of, again, as the square root of, I just need to find the value inside the square root if the answer is not an exact value, and in this case it is indeed not an exact value. And because we don't know, we are given the coordinates, this one is actually in terms of units. As we continue to work on two more lengths before we can safely conclude. Yeah, so the next length I'm going to do will be point B and my point C. My point C would be -5, 4, so that again I know this is my x1, y1, x2, y2, so my length BC will be equals to the square root of -5 minus 1 square plus 4 minus 8 bracket square. And let's see what will this give me. This will give me a square root of this value. I just need to press my calculator, and that will give me a value of 52. Okay, so now we know A, B and BC are not equal, and therefore the last line that we are going to find would be AC. So this one I'm going to write it at the top. So my point A is -1, -2, and my point C is -5 and 4. So I'm going to replicate for the third time. So I'm going to go a little bit faster here since it is the same approach. Minus -1 square plus 4 minus my negative 2 square. And for this, when I press my calculator, for this particular value, it does give me a value of square root 52 units. And since we have successfully found out that through our working, AC is equals to BC, therefore we have successfully proven and shown that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.